What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a done-for-you affiliate marketing system for beginners 2021. I'm also briefly going to go over the affiliate payout so you can have an idea of the potential of income that can be earned with this system. So with that being said, we're going to get started. This is the actual capture page, okay? It's already done for you. The only thing you're going to have to do is load it into the back of your funnel builder. So this is the actual page. It's real simple. There's nothing difficult that you have to do. Just a few steps and you're up and ready to go. Okay, you're going to change out this button here in this form, okay? So they can go to the next page with your link, okay? If someone clicks on this button, it just takes them right back to the top. So you're going to have to edit that. And then the next button you're going to edit is this one, and it's just going to take you back up to the top. Don't worry, there's a step-by-step walkthrough video that's going to show you how to do that. So when someone enters their email here, they're going to be taken to this page here. Now this is the VSL. It's a long read if people want to read it. Okay, if not, then they can watch the video. Okay, and some people like to read, some people like to watch video, some people like to do both. Okay, but this is the next page in the step. Now, there's nothing you have to do here. This is from here on out. Everything is created and set up for you. The only thing you're going to do is make a few minor adjustments here, and that's it. Everything else is going to be connected. Now, if someone comes here and they watch the video or they listen or they read this information and they decide, well, no, thank you. They simply just want the book, because when they opt into this page, what you're going to give them is this 183 page guide. Okay, that's what they opted in for. You're giving them something to them for free. Okay, so if they say no, it's going to, and they click here, so it's actually going to take them to congratulations, here's your escape plan, blah blah blah, and then they can click it and download it here. I just showed you the book. Now I'm going to go back. If they decide and say yes, I want the freedom faster, when they click this button here, what it's going to do is going to take them to the actual Freedom Launchpad process page, where they can actually payment page, where they can make the payment, fill in their information. Now on this page, okay, they have the option of getting an order bump, which is $17 plus the $27, which gives you a total of $44, and you earn $35.20 if they decide to get both of them. Okay, if they just decide to get the $27, then you earn $21. Okay, but the $21.20, and then if they get to $17, you break that down, 80% of that is $13. Okay, so you earn 80% commission. So if they click both of these buttons, if they check, they want to add this to order, and they want the 27, they're going to pay $44. You're going to earn $35.20. Okay, so once they do that, their credit card information is already in there, so there's nothing else they have to do if they want the upsells. Once they do that and they place the order and agree to the terms, they're going to be taken to this upsell page. Okay, now if they want to upgrade their order, it's going to be $125. You earn 80% commission of this $125, which is $100. That's residual income. Okay, that's residual income that comes in month after month if they get to $125. Okay, so they're going to read through here. They're going to look at the bonuses that they're going to get. Some are going to make a decision that they want it and they're going to get it. Some are going to make a decision that they don't want to get it. But after I can't add it here for myself. So if I say upgrade my order, it's not going to do anything for me because I did not fill out this form. Okay, so but if somebody said they upgrade, they want the order, it automatically charges their card because they put it in over here anyway. Okay, so remember, you earn $35.20 here. That's one time. You're going to earn, we come here, $100 residual income. That's month after month, and they pay every Friday. Okay, they get the Freedom Now bundle if they want that. They have the option to come down here at the bottom and say no, they don't want it. Okay. If they said no, then it's going to take them to a down sale of $50. Okay, says that right, that's right. Instead of paying $125, pay just $50 today and get a 2 weeks pass for the Freedom Now Premium Mastermind Plus. You'll get 2 free months of the HBA Funnel Builder and Funnel Builder Academy. Watch a 2-minute video before you go. So this video is going to explain that to the person who is watching this. Okay. So they can get it for just $50. If they say yes, then the $50 is going to be charged because remember the credit card information is already in there. If they come down here, they still have the option to say no. Okay, and they can take the $50 if they want to. Then after that, there's another upsell. Okay, it says unlock the secrets the world wealthiest 1%. So you can make and keep more money plus multiply every dime you make for life. Here, if someone upgrades here, it's $500 one time. You earn an 80% commission on that. That's $400 one time that you earn. So you come here. If they want this, that's $35.20. If they get the 125, that's $100. Okay, and if they get the upsell here of $500, that's another $400. That's $535.20 you have earned if someone goes through the entire process. Okay, so that's that for the funnel. But I want you to understand something, that if they don't get this $500 now, and if they come back and get it at a later date, then it's going to cost them $1,000. And if they decide to upgrade to the $1,000, then you're going to earn $800. That is the potential. If you see it here, it says it right here. The next time you see this, it will be $1,000, and it tells them what they're going to get. Okay, so if I just scroll through here, you see what you're getting, what is value at. Okay, and they have the option to get it, pay the full price, or they can choose to pay $200, 3 payments of $200 per month. Okay, so that's another source of income in this funnel. So as I mentioned before, what they're going to get for free up front from the capture page is actually this book right here. Okay, now a guy on the team is actually working on an audio version of this book. So you have the option to, listen to it while you're driving, while you're working out, or if you're just relaxing at home, somebody can put this in their, in their vehicle or whatever the case may be, and listen to it on their computer or however they, want to listen to it. So someone has actually taken the time out to take this 183 page PDF and make an audio version out of it. Now we're just waiting on that to come. Hopefully later on this week. He's just waiting on a few ins and outs to get done to it. Okay, so that's the complete funnel. But what you get is with the HBA Premium, okay, you're going to get all of this in here, and there are sections in here, okay, all down through here. So that's what they get. This is actual training that's going to help you get traffic, that's going to help you get leads and convert those leads into sales. Okay, that's what the HBA Premium is about. The financial literacy, I don't have it. Got to be honest with you. I'm going to get it later on. I should have paid the $500, but I didn't. Okay, but I can go back and get it later on, which is probably what I'm going to do. And the financial literacy is all about making your, having the money that you earning with your affiliate business, making more money for you. Okay, and so then you get the HBA Funnel Builder, okay, tool, which, and I'm not going to go into it, but you're going to get the HBA Funnel Builder tool, and then you're going to get the 30-minute workday, which you get. This is the book. We just looked at it here. This is the book. You're going to get the Freedom Lunch Pad. This is what they paid for here. Okay, here. The $27 is for the Freedom Lunch Pad, okay, And then the $17 is for the ultimate email swipes, and they're going to get 50 done for your email, but there are some ultimate email swipes coming. Okay, we got audio here that they're going to listen to, how to set up the email swipe folder and things like that. So they get all of that information there. Let's see, you're going to have some ultimate traffic swipes as well, so that's coming. Okay, and then with this whole system, if somebody goes premium, you know, which we was talking about the 125 here, somebody goes premium, then they're going to get the done for you 7-figure funnel. This is what this video is about, getting this done for you affiliate marketing system, okay, for beginners in 2021. So you can go into 2021, the new year, focusing on this one funnel, because this funnel has the potential to earn you up to 7 figures. Okay, so you get the done for you setup, everything here, all of this information here. Okay, and you get the 7 figures. Sneak peek. It kind of gives you an idea. We just looked at those pages. That's what those links are for. You're going to get access to our chat group. Okay, which is right here. I don't have it on here, but on this particular website, on this particular computer, I'm doing it on my laptop, but you get access to that. Okay, so, and not only that, you're going to have a 30-minute Workday Affiliate University talking about believing in your offer. Okay, so that's everything you're going to get with this. So if you decide, have made a decision that this funnel is for you, that this affiliate marketing system is for you, there's a link for it in the description below. Also a link to get the autoresponder. And I want to thank you for viewing this video. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Leave me a comment below. And also, give me a thumbs up on this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below as well. Click the link to get started. I look forward to working with you. Look forward to having a conversation with you and a long, prosperous business partnership with you. With that being said, you have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.